Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off your PS5 DualSense controller. The PlayStation 5 DualSense controller boasts a wide array of new features and functionality with the purpose of immersing users more deeply in games. And while the DualSense gets a healthy 15 hours of battery life, leaving it on while you're doing things on your PS5 like watching movies and shows won't leave you with much power when you need it. Thankfully, Sony makes it easy to turn your PS5 DualSense controller off when you don't need it. Now let's walk through the steps to turn off a PS5 DualSense controller. Step 1. Press the PlayStation button in the center of the controller. The Control Center menu is displayed along the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Choose Accessories in the Control Center menu. The Accessories icon features an image of a controller. The Accessories menu is displayed, displaying a list of all connected peripheral accessories. Step 3. Click the PS5 DualSense controller you want to turn off. A menu with options for that specific controller is shown. Step 4. Choose Turn Off. Your PS5 controller will automatically be turned off. You can turn the PS5 DualSense controller on again at any time by holding down the PlayStation button. The light under the touchpad will turn blue when the controller is powered on. Let me know what you like and don't like about the PS5 in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.